I want to show that, yeah, I wear the hijab and I'm Muslim and I'm a woman, but it doesn't mean that I can play football. I can do the exact same thing as everybody else can do.
المباشرة هنا كرة في وسط الميدان لا زالت عند